Hi all, JV here again from InfoHut. Apologies for the lack of updates of recent. I've just been working on a new channel and I'll show you that shortly. Let's get into this. So you've got an iPhone, any model, especially the iPhone 6 that I've seen this start at, where the camera is shaking uncontrollably. This is an email that I got. Pretty much it was saying that they've got a 6S Plus recently begun shaking uncontrollably when using any type of camera app, video time lapse, everything is affected, including the camera. So let's get started. I want to give you hopefully a bit of a solution. Okay, just to be clear, this is generally, well, in 90% of cases, the back camera. Now, when I say the back camera, the one obviously facing away, it is something that I've seen a lot of, and as a repairer, it's something that can be fixed and it is very affordable. But first we can try a few things where it might avoid you actually taking it into a repair shop or Apple, and we'll see if it can fix it. So obviously the first step is make sure you do restart the phone simply by obviously turning it off, turning it on. Now, look, that doesn't work in most situations, so don't get your hopes up, but it's the first point of call that you need to do. Now, once that's done, the second step is to make sure that you actually clean the back lens of the camera. What can occur is that the camera's trying to focus, and if there's debris or anything on the outside of it, it can affect it, so it'll go a bit crazy. I've seen this a lot, so it does help, but once again, don't get your hopes up. This is more of a 50-50 type thing. Okay, now the other thing is that, and it is once again a bit of a rare situation, but there can be a bit of debris on the inside, okay? Now, whether that is from a previous repair or whatever, like the camera was removed for whatever reason and a repairer has put it in, or even replaced it, there could have been a bit of actual dirt in there, or dust, which once again can affect the way that it focuses. Give that a shot by giving it a tap, see if that fixes the situation. If it does, awesome. Now, unfortunately, 9 out of 10 times, the situation to fix this is by replacing the back camera. And replacing the back camera is something obviously that someone experienced with removing the camera and removing hardware components can only do. However, it's not really a hard job and it's not an expensive job. So do shop around and make sure you check that it can be fixed. And shopping around will really help you in the senses that you might save a lot of money. Now, most importantly, because this is not limited just to one iPhone model, I've seen it across all models. If it is still under warranty with Apple, I'm going to repeat that again. If it is still under warranty with Apple, take it to the Apple store. I know it's a headache. I know it. You might have to wait in line. Take it in there or speak to an online consultant where they can help you out. Because if it's under warranty, they will replace it for free, ideally, in 99% of situations. And 2, it won't void any other current warranty that you have on it. So taking it to a third-party repairer will void any warranty. They might fix it for cheap, but any type of warranty you've got on that phone, Apple will know somebody else has opened it. So always check if it's got a warranty. And most importantly, look, don't freak out. The great thing about cameras in most situations, not all phones, going to the iPhone X range onwards, it gets a bit more expensive. They tend to be affordable to fix, and the good news is that it can be fixed. As I said, 9 out of 10 times it is a faulty camera. Try all those other things. Hope this helped. Please like, please subscribe, because I'm always going to be giving you updates, tips, and the latest tech info. Cheers, thanks.